Hello, my beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you for the watch this my video. My people, as soon as know for this our channel, say we they bring gists. Apropos anything with no concern gist. Now with the land for this our channel. That's why you see this channel with the column. Apropos Saga TV. Anyway, if you don't see that channel, news and gist what they do for dear. My people, I beg, make una continue to encourage this channel by subscribing. Just subscribe. It don't take anything from you. Subscribe, put on your notification bell, like and share. I will also appreciate all of you when they watch our video, when they share our video, when also they like this our video. We really do appreciate you all. Okay, guys, I will leave una make una watch this video. This is our latest gist. May I leave una make una watch am. Okay, my people, I will see you now for my next video. Bye bye.
Una see now. He say, "Oh no, love, make it go watch. Make them go watch Ras Noah and Genevieve movie, so that you'll get true love." Say, me una go watch her. Una know how to differentiate true love or without no true love. If true love, not the relationship or not the marriage. If you they go with that true love, if you they go with that relationship, it not they go anywhere, because true love not they. Now here and there because you force yourself into it. You did not wait, exercise patience for God to choose for you, and you did desperate so much to find one. That be the truth. You did desperate to find one. True love not the hard to find. If you see her, now once you go, even tell no. Even though you never even meet the man, the way you go tell they do, and when you can finally meet the man, you go come be SS. Very easy to find true love. Very, very easy. Ugly like a guy who called me today, well, no banner blockade the guy. A guy no team na Italy well no banner blockade. He got block all the beko, he got block all the diare, he got block all the bonopa, he got block all come. All disturb me. Iye kwa mwegbe. Na ye oni ya mwigo yo. Iye mwegbe ye make. Iye mwegbe ni aya relocate yo adie dian o ni me relocate adiodo. Iye amadi ye mase di me watare noje. All disturb 24 hours of the day. Oh no. Me go ye gwan first time no ya pe recording giri, selling recording gimi. Imegi kamu wena we ni me gwan kana or he block if I never mistake he block sig batten. All le bonare bloqué, all le bon le diare bloqué, all le diare bloqué. Me wabe true me un first or we na around one your first person or wati anahin or win so person ina ya we kwehe mama. Oh what disturb it when he block you we say. Or when he la waiting or when me mala in ori. Oh ye disturb it. I not feel lana. Oh ye disturb. Then he may block you and say with the messenger. Me what this would maybe for example we call him. He will block you with a direct. He block you with a messenger. He block you with a WhatsApp. Where I can block you easily. He block you with a Facebook. You cannot call me. What I said to you, low phone and we do that do yatim. Ela no re ya ni me block you. Ona de baby ya decent card away na. Ona de baby tea. Oh, you first person. Not him. Oh no do ki no do na. You first person. Not him we na. Anyway here hiori. You first person. Not he. Ina ana he. Owo yen no. Where him woman. Where gay. Upon when you block you wese. Ila hawo. Ememe ma layin yonuri. Or disturb. It all stay. When you wese. Omapa. Die magwala yen kama we yen gwala. Bene wa blocking yen woka o yen ewe. But she's still coming. Oh yeri. Bene block ese. You understand? When you are arrogant, you can never get a good woman. When you misbehave all the time. Ona na support ogba ma yana rovi me. Igi dave because he block ene woka. Ukpoge va, ukpoge ha, ukpoge ne, ukpoge sen. Ukpoge ha, ukpoge yon, ukpoge ukpoge yo ya. Ni ogba na do rovi me gie dame na. Egba na gume gwawe ni riri mi. Igi dame because he block eno nu gba no kwen ni gbe agume yabi. But we no we ono na jina. I never in my cameo de. But we me video me ni ya go ma gwa. Understand? Egbe ma video na doro de on me wa block kedero ade na doro wie me. E dame. O ma ni me my hand de me avoid my exchange words. O wa gmengume na iri vai tie me woregbe. Eye na do gbere. Ona so tale rubbish. Age voice na. Abe wa madam e voice bo. So useless, arrogance, without manners. He o ma no gwalo ho na hin. Me wa gele wa weti I did I gwalo kpia. Me we I waran we me vana wa. Larry don't love ye nyasa we me gazo wege. Like seriously. I think a way a bomb a very osa go me gazo wege. You learn manners. Learn how to address people. Learn how to talk to people. Politely way. When or Larry now, whatever you call yourself, we bring me respect yourself. Where you we me who no we dogi. Or when we ye be marry neta or ye say where I because you don't have manners. Ugwa you talk anyhow. The way you just say person can't talk to your sister like that. How will you feel? So you desperate men, some desperate men, I beg, if you want a good woman, a responsible woman, even a standing woman, classic woman, you must learn how to respect yourself. Learn how to talk. Learn how to approach woman in a decent way. You understand me? Hello. Yeah, who is this, please? I am fine. Fine. We are doing great. Business is fine. Who am I speaking with, please? John from where? No, that is the problem I am just addressing. John from where? You have to say John from Italy. Now you can see my number. You don't even know if I look your code word before I pick it because I am on live. That is why I ask you John from where, because I just picked the call once and without even looking. Okay, how may I help you, please? Okay. Yeah, I have it. Yes. No, normally I do show men things now. Yeah, I have it. Yeah, when you order it, I bring it to your doorstep. I will send you the one I have. You will choose what you want. No, I will do that when I'm done with my live video. All right, thanks so much. Bye. Eriano, umajagagbo. Eri do eri me every time. And I worry. Ugbaso ya ingeve ni me yagwan. I waiting ya wa demi. Ye me ni working won't lie. You understand? Because I work here no imagine ya put I have a video. Me iwe me is the way so yeah where I just waiting. Oh my even know it. I just see what you they say online. I say okay, make I come patronize you. Now la because where oh my do wa. Many my brother and sister. Peace. Every day one. Mo pate with social media. Mo pare online. No, with a live video. Ihu bokwa viva. No, we live video. Abi wa we here wa ro wodo viva. Here ro wodo. You go for others and let Queen be for once. Here ro wodo. Ni bun ro wodo viva. Ukmo yari egru gbe yan kekan. Here ro wodo wugu yan. So la ho when instead of wabe bungbe sadi na wari sadi wodo. Wabe ya tosti yan wodo. Me kuna let Queen be. Me kuna let me be. So Mavu wabe kui. If una leave me, I go leave una for waste. Because what they are not supposed to, they reply now, they push me too far. Now I can't do. I'm not trying again. One way. I have your beso, my best of a dog you say safe. My best of a dog you say. My give a gui. As well as I was where any gualone we start playing. Because Emi gwalo de gwi my brother. Imani day. Dog bomb ni gwalo kin o pa wa be ya tama wewe. Okay ni day. Iko. It's we bomb ni gwalo. Cause o pa golo wa ni bun pe yo me ho. When honor guy the rightful person. Oga gun ye hi mena o pa ya hen go ma yore na. Once we gun or ring give away when the person wa ni wa popa golo yo me ho kun I love you then in my even we call when the next day usun arovi okiam ya na daka ma na you want make we come marry no na ko no ve marry that kind man because you are arrogance yet marry gbo ma video okpa na agun okpa no dey honest no dey responsible. Even no muele say almost ye boema one day. Almost ye boema. That arrogance go just show once. And then no wa where we je man na wa gon asin na o. O wa gon asin na o. Arrogance we get no wa we do tawe na je no na gbo pia yisan. E ma tata because ega waka we obado alele we ku they follow you they play you say na emulate your kuzebu de regbe na la give am some chance. They talk to her, they try am with many things. Onyeme no go out of your iladin o se ni mana ha we Queen ereru we na o calculate igbe. When it comes to friendship me are true with you we I just want to know who you are. And almost they yo. We married do they yo yen we ogaki. The sad men who we are going I don't know about others. Yen ogaki. Almost do you. Well, you are okay now. You are really making me to smiling all those things. Say 2 days ago. If on where we are again auto. I want to know who you are, who you be now. And you must surely provoke. Do aro ye kuni ho do atale ku me ye kuni ho. Wetin queen no want you konde go konde wetin queen never see before go konde see from you. No matter how you want hide your character, make it no may no circulate abi. I de mazo e severe doni ne wagire no ye school no river. Mokuna correct me what on a comment. Escalate abi him escalate ye no understand? Escalate ye no no matter how you want hide your character. Me go me take besoko. No matter how you want hide your character, me no escalate. Ekuni zegbesha. Me no escalate. No matter how you want hide your character, it must surely escalate. So this relationship of 18, na wawe, my na ata na. Na be that. One netemeni be anihu ni river. Don't be desperate too much. Even na why am you bia? Ya deyo. O say manibuna like one chance. He wa me ya marine. We mi agi kai. O we so no na backman. The woman so no na backman my darling. Because we may say, o na rioja no ma heke. Ege we ga say, your labor shall bring you results. Ehuwe o ma say, o na rioja no ma heke. Ege we ga say, your labor shall bring you results. Because don't rush in anything. Eka we iwa me ya we je wedding gown we have ya ye wedding gown. Your time never rush. Who we I say it will be who will laugh last, always laugh best. That is your time. Wait patiently in the Lord. And one man, God bless you, my darling, for writing it out. Escalate. Yeah, no, nia. Ikazo magba, ena de bezo ege. Ona no na. Bia mo gwa babe manai. Imanazo say wa correct instantly. Wa ge huemu wa. Queen I saw that the right time, and I will kindly appreciate you. Edobe ya can be zo. Even the one ya zegbiragbe. Student in Oga. So now be that one. I know the shame for my own. Imagwazo say, you correct me with your comments. Me at here. If I don't know how to speak, talk away, just write and comment. Marriage is divine. God's time is the best. You can say that again. That is the truth. Why are you in hurry? Who they pursue you, they go. Who they pursue you, they go. Say your mates don't marry. Yeah, every time you take they go congratulate people. My dear, the God that answers Sarah will answer your prayer. The God that answer Anna will answer your own. The God that answer Esther will still answer your own. A vekiri David done or back. When you hurry in life, what you will come across later, you will not like it. You will not like it. Wait patiently on the Lord, and heaven will renew your strength by giving you the best man that you deserve so much in the whole wide world, by giving you the best woman that you will never come across once. Wait patiently, and you will see how God is going to change your story. He will change your story. He will change your story into joy. Yes, nah. My testimony, as I am talking, they're saying it all the time, will shut up my enemy, and they will silence all my enemy for good. No geu ge yaro wa kukaku. No geru weni yaro wa kukaku. Gi ayo we gbovi ewe. Gi awe me kemi. Ego mama isebe no lege kayo wa na rio ya no maheke. Yes. Ege we ga se mo sama irunwe omoso hunwe. Egi rule. Those who start last running the race that God that will overtake those one who start the race first. Don't even run a race that you will not end in good way. Run the race that heaven will bless you, put. The race that you will have peace of mind. The race that you will have joy. The race that you will run, you will have all your desire in this whole wide world. Run that kind of race. But patience. Iruleye magmome. Awa. Ika wo wiwa mena he edio wono na nido yari okoro. Awa. Mero don rock bari okoro. Osi egbevere. Eri moma ese. Ona yeverio. Eri mega sene. Ija. Bena wawe wege na. He sawe mega zo wege. A big congratulations. Utunete we missy. Yare dedo edo awe missy. It is not by my power. I am not the one who is doing it. I am not the one who will place me myself in that position. No. The garment does not belong to me. It belongs to God Almighty. He will wear me that garment on that special day. And they will wear me that, my husband, a crown of a king. A queen is very fine, okay? So now be that, my people. Now say he, my meto, now so many of una still be where they say, God, hear me out. Bad fruits of the womb. No one God created to this world to be a barren woman. No. It does not create a barren. It have fruits of the womb from each and every one of us. Yes. When you don't have children, maybe it is the people of the world that do those things, not heaven that creates you like that. But you have to pray for what you want and wait patiently on the Lord. God will wipe your tears with what you desire. And if you want to wipe that tears, not just one child, but children, He will give to you. That is the truth. Be honest to yourself. Hold on to God. Go closer to God Almighty. Pray midnight hour. What people are mocking you with is what God will give to you. Even though you are 60, go back again. When you know how to walk in God's direction, go salo. No, a 60 years old woman. Okbab de boy akin oho na iwemewe I only marry we. Okbi oho na iwemewe I only marry we. Oho no okbi no ma responsible. Oho neglect e oka we o erejiye ginakin onagi erejiye. When you love that woman, truly love that woman, go for what you want. And that woman will also give you children. And lover Sonia, longest time. You understand? It will give you what you want. The respect that you deserve, that woman will give it to you. It's a way, do you know if that woman, that 50 years old woman, that 60 years old woman, is the one who wants to give you joy? Is the one who wants to give you the happiness that you desire? He's the one who is going to pamper you forever. You don't know. You don't know. Don't let people distract you. Always go for what you want. If that person is making you happy, stay tuned. Be with that person. Be happy with that person. You both cherish yourself and love yourself. we me na ya hia meve hia awon manora na mevero ao o mani nu wegie e o mani buhia no ya mari o mani nu we mok o mani buhia o mani nu we he ni hugan o mani buhia ye must send them nu we send it. I want to marry this very lady. Iyari o kayo obo because e mi na gun mama o sa mama. That is the truth. Any woman, no gbera 50 years in it, gbera 60 years in it. Hold your peace. You will get the rightful man for yourself. Hold your peace. And you will get the rightful man for yourself. Efo fegboe, ebe ye gbo fi alasa anybody. Baba, una gele enwu onu ye marry. Na ya marry we na ya gele marry. That man will locate you. It will come your way. It will come your way. E o back e bi wo one. That man will come your way. Tata. I don't know why some people say if person don't dey 60 years, he no fit marry. I don't know why some people they say if person don't dey 70 years, he no fit marry. 60 something years, he no fit marry. Why not? Not be 70 years old person, I marry daddy. Abi you know see when I tag and come my work. You know see say that man when that woman senior dima. You know see when I tag and come say, oh my goodness, God you are faithful. You know see say me tag and come my word that the right congratulations for the friendship, the marriage. He saying daughter ya when they go in friend marriage. This one, if he go there, they go mock him. This one go this one, they go mock him. This one, he go this one, oh, they go mock him. He go this one, oh, they go mock him. He's surprised where God finally used this man to bless him. You know, see when I tag him, go my wall, you go see him there. Normal Facebook. Go there, man, you go check on her. And you see the way God take bless that woman. He say he no still care. The laugh where they laugh and he no still care the way they take the mock him. He see they go their marriage. If they invite him, he now go even play the best role pass for the place. But where God finally want hear our own cry. He hear our own cry. And the those who laugh at and now be they consider they congratulate and say, now what did the woman talk now? You will go and hear it from the horse's mouth. Now then, now see come they congratulate them after they don't mock and finish, after they don't call her names finish, after they don't call her all sorts of names that God Almighty did not call on her. Yema yeke. Now so you go carry their marriage put for head. Now so you go dance the best dance pass upon the city. But the woman say now they dance pass when they go their wedding. But finally, God hear her cry for old age. 70 years. Well, what are you talking about? If God can do that one, why are you now scared God cannot do yours? Allaho. Osaloba. No soon. Orabe mo esufo. Well, was it be? Oh, ye be marry we. Oh, ye be biene. Oh, while he were when Oki wak berawe. Oga he onyunwa. No. Usagele we dameme. Uwese o babage uwese. You can say that again. God works in a mysterious way. You understand? Eriono. Usaloba. Owawe. Be no yagwalo. Ve no yagwalo Yahweh. That is the truth. Even we ya mama, sa ya mama. Oh, can have surprise you. In fact, I go no rioku arieze. O kere, uwe kere. Inguno sasun never be go one. That is the truth. When no, emi o kan gbo ma kan wa koka ko are you God? Are you God? You are not God now. You are not God. Osalobua. Linda Becky off egbe o. Emi ya ye na YouTube wa we say o. You understand? That is the truth. Osalobua. No jemi gbo wan kan. Osalobua no je adi agbon we no kian. Am I when I live a life here? Princess also. Oh, what do any where agbon ti mi o? When no bo one, oh well, when no cabo wabo we ye no keke bo be new mode. When no nemi kemi wa harosa. Masopo no agiovi wawe. When no emi no dio wo jani when no sa we no sakio jai no o ma suppose no agiovi wawe. Cosverio. O aye not samini o ye pe. Because usanogehe moge bogiasu. Owe no yama me because that thing can never get to you. Can never get to you. Let her not to laugh at people. Let her not to mock people with what happened to them. Let her. But so me I walk online social media ring nothing me. Ugbeso ya wa social media ring nothing me. Wa fi ehun wa. Ave no me lag mo phone gi arwa. Wa me pa wo wa yere fun pa. Wa me khian wo wa gbon wa yere wan room no wa di aveva. Wa me pa wo wa me ve musi ekpo lega edogbo no wa di ya. Wa me mi wo wagun. Beso me a wo wa so we re me be gba ni nothing me. We ne life in a living. Not the truth. Not the truth. Not the truth. Life you are living. Because you never waka. You never waka. You never even see anything. Eke me la won tagbon okon pa. Ege me na gele kiun. Ona ime wakian ami kinila Austral Viana be ya ave Jamie different akoka ko be ba ni me laro ege me na kele hin ya segbe Finland Sweden ni me le ruwe we understand me na emi ni me mi wo wa be bo ya ni me lele we me ro pa. You only come to social media and just be blabbing, say bullshit out of your mouth. I mean, no, when I buy a default buy we will no matter. When I when you are winning, is that a life? Where may me agmo? Where got me agmo? Ne wagmona? Who no to rotate? Menata where them agmo for you kologbo. Imasa me you know yata. O wa fi ikologbo eke na wa yo adwa yo later o manu wa wo odwa later o manu wa emi ropa nu wa odwa emi no ho anu wa ika pe temo pa ba so pa ina wo mo ho pa ni aye enoga ye mo gbo makan okwo ni ma ebie beti na amemo ika be gbe the story na be social media Ikabe gbene do waye so waso ayere waso ni no maibe mi yin okon na amemo no pa maga me egi ho na neme na Muhammad okpu yoto you understand me na egi ho neme na Muhammad okpu yoto okwo na kegun akewato aga no ma bie akegun ami mi pa no ma tie ami oja koja ni amaja no ho na no ma bie na no mo egwe na ami nini amahe Odi mo na so no me ta. Ami mi pa ni ama he. Iya ize tie ni. E dok pa gere wo giason. Because owe mi ga ibungbe. Emi e too much gbe. O oja. Ho na vie la dia. Uzazi. Kevegiri akara we. Buteve. Ba wiyen. Ameve ya engine ya o. Giyen baba. Kiojana. Noriome na me. Gbinigbina na me. Hia meve na me. Huwe na bungbe ne baba. Hima meve na. Emi ni ya giyeme. Giega e portion giyan. Baba, ameve na wonu hime. Vi omo. Je mo ya weme. Salobu ano heke moge woge asan. Ona gele irun hona. Oge irun hona. Ono moge nakpe na donme ne wagire. Oge irun hona. No ni ati agana ni amage gbe nwa meri okpu yoto. Ohona na dobie ona bevi ha.